How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Today we are going to learn mathematics. In the last YouTube class we learned what children? Exercise 2.1 addition. Today we are going to see exercise 2.2 word sums, word problems you are going to see. Okay children, last addition and now word problems you are going to see. The first sum, I will read out children, you listen carefully. Rohit had a collection of 2,346 tons. His brother gave him 1,999 stamps. How many stamps does Rohit have now? See, he had a collection of 2,346 stamps and his brother gave him 1,999 stamps. So, all together, how many stamps you have to find out? Okay, children. So, first one, stamp collection. Rohit had. Stamp collection. Rohit had how much children? See, what you can do, you can draw one line like this so that the sums will be neat. Otherwise, someone will write here and another will be right. If you write like that, means sums will be wrong. So, you draw a line like this and put equal sign because the sentence is too big. So, you can write in two lines. Okay, children? You have to leave one line and write neatly. So, how many stamp collection Rohit had, children? 2,346. 2,346. Children, leave some space so that it will be look nice. Some of them will be writing like this. While writing test and all, I felt very hard for correction. Don't write like this. Leave some space and write. Okay, children? And then his brother stamps given by his brother. Stamps given by his brother. How many stamps he gave children? 1,000. See, here only you have to put equal sign. Don't write here. If you put equal sign here, means it will be wrong. After the sentence is over, you have to, after the word, you have to put equal sign. So, how much he gave? You have to add. So, this is addition. 1,999. So, you have to add the both numbers. 6 plus 9, what children? 6 in the mind, 9 in the finger. Likewise, you have to show what will come children? 15. What will come? 15. And see, for easy counting, you can add like 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. Likewise, also you can count 14. And again, 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. So, what answer children? 4,345. So, all together how much is having? All together you can write, otherwise first you can write total. So, how many stamps? 4,345. Next you have to write the answer. You have to take and write answer. Therefore, how many stamps he collected children? Stamps Rohit have, otherwise 4,000. So, Rohit have 4,345 stamps. Understood children? Now all together how many stamps is having? So, Rohit have 4,345 stamps. Okay children, are you thorough? Yes. While writing also you have to write steps. For steps also mark. If you are not writing the steps means I will minus the mark. Only this one if you write means I will give only 3 marks. I will less 2 marks likewise. So you have to write the sentence and then you have to add. Okay children. Now we will see the second sum. Okay. I will read children. A factory manufactured 75,850 cars in 2010. So in 2010, a factory manufactured how many cars? 75,850, and in 2011 it manufactured 38,000 more cars. 38,000 more cars means what? Compared to they manufactured 38,000 more cars. So how many cars did it manufacture in 2011? See, you have to add 75,000 and this one also, more cars they manufactured in 2011. So we have to find out the answer. Okay, so number of cars. For number short form you can write like this, children. Instead of writing, see, NUMBER number, you can write this is the short form. Understood, children? You can write like this, number for it. So number of cars manufactured in 2010. So here also what you can do, you can draw a line like this. So equal, how many cars, children? 75,850 cars. Okay. Now number of cars manufactured more in 2011. So what? How many cars, children? 38,000. 38,000. So you have to add this one and then you will get the answer. How many cars they manufactured in 2011? Okay. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 0, 5. 8 plus 0, 8. 5 plus 8, what will come, children? 5 in the mind, 8 in the finger, what will come? 13. What will come? 13. And 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 3, 9, 10, 11. So how many cars, children? Can you guess, children, how many cars? 1,13,850. 1,13,850. So now we will write total and then we will write the answer down. Okay, children? So answer what will come? Therefore 1,13,850 cars were manufactured in 2011. Okay, children. So in 2010 they manufactured 75,850 and in 2011 they manufactured 1,13,850. Understood, children? Okay, you should not get confused. Okay, we'll see the third sum. Okay, children, we'll see the third sum. A farmer bought a pump set. A farmer bought a pump set. He paid rupees 58,960 from his savings. From his savings means he was having with him. Okay, children. He borrowed rupees 49,750 from the bank to pay for the pump set. What is the cost of the pump set? From his, he was having with him 58,960 and he borrowed 49,750. So we have to find the total cost of the pump set. Okay, children. Now money paid from his savings. Money paid from his savings. See, the equal sign should be in the same line. See, like this. Some of them, the savings you will write here. you will write savings like here, and then what you will do, you will put equal sign here, and the next one you will write and simply you will write here. Then means you can't add. The sum will be wrong. Children, okay, don't do that mistake. Okay, money paid from his savings. How much he paid? Rupees 58,960. Okay, so he borrowed from the bank. Money borrowed from the bank. Borrowed from the bank. So from the bank, how much he borrowed? Money borrowed from the bank, rupees 49,750. After writing, what you have to do? You have this is add, isn't it? So total, what is the cost of the pump set? Means what? You have to add only. So you have to put addition sign symbol. Okay, children. All know addition means this cross symbol, isn't it? Don't write like this cross. Then means it is multiplication. Don't do that one. Okay. 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 5, 11. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. So what children? What amount children? 1,08,710. 1,08,710. So total you write here, and then I will write the answer down here. Okay. What's the answer children? Cost of the pump set is how much amount? Cost of the pump set is rupees 1,08,710. Okay children, understood? 1,08,710. Okay. Now we'll see the fourth sum. Sanjana's car cost rupees 4,56,850 and Ranjana's car cost rupees 3,80,500 more than Sanjana. See, this sum is as we did in the second sum. So what you know, she her car cost more than what her car. What you have to add this both, then only the cost of his car you can find out. Okay children, once again I'll read. Sanjana's car cost rupees 4,56,850. Ranjana's car cost rupees 3,80,500 more than Sanjana's car. How much does Ranjana's car cost? Okay children, so you have to add that both the number rupees, then only the cost of the car we can find out. Okay, so cost of Sanjana's car. Cost of Sanjana's car. So cost of Sanjana's car, how much children? What you have to do? You have to draw a line like this. Rupees 4,56,850 and cost of Ranjana's car more than how much children? 3,80,500. So you have to add this both the rupees. So how much it comes, children? 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 0, 5. 8 plus 5, what children will come? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1 plus 6, 7. 5 plus 8, again 13. And 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. So what's the amount children total? 8,37,350. See, her car cost, Sanjana's car cost only 4,56,850. But see the cost of Ranjana's car, 8,37,350. So total will put and we'll write the answer down. So answer. You have to write like this. If you don't write means I minus 1 mark. Cost of Ranjana's car. Car is rupees 8,37,350. Okay, children. Okay. While writing, what you have to do, children? Question and all, black pen. Answer, blue pen. Don't forget, again I am telling, question black pen, answer blue pen, and after finishing each sum you have to draw a line. You have to draw a line. If you draw a line means you can find out easily. Otherwise you have to do in one page, one sum you have to do. Understood, children? Okay. Are you thorough in this? See, have you? If you have any doubt in this sum, you can call me to my WhatsApp number. Okay, children? Okay, you practice at home. You have, till you get the notebook, what you have to do? You have to copy down in your rough notebook. You copy down in a rough notebook so that it will be very easy for you to learn. Will you do that, children? Okay. Take care, children. We will meet in the next class. Bye.